24 degrees, 25 degrees, full sun, and ice-capped mountains.
Cool scenery points.
Just on the outside, on the outskirts of Orkiva. We're going to the coast, but you can't drive past that, can you? You've got to stop and appreciate the view. You never know when you're going to see that again next.
Sunflower, the magic yellow 420 camper van. Traveling and chasing the sunshine, looking for a good time. It's Sunflower's big adventure. Sunflower's big epic adventures. Because sunflowers need sun, yes, sunflowers need the sunshine to have a good time. Herbs on. Herbs on. Sunflower, the magic yellow 420 camper van.
So this is it. Sunflower has left Orkiva. At least for now anyway. We're not going so far.
Big adventure, sunflowers, big epic adventures. Because sunflowers need
So Sunflower's heading off to park up in a place between Maro and Nercha. What? Don't look at me, look out there. It's a beautiful drive as well. The drive that we're going to go on to get there is through the mountains.
Sunflower, tell the mountain high. Yes, sunflower is super high. Sunflower, tell the mountain high. Sunflower is super high.
Really, really beautiful roads, but don't just take my word for it. Have a look.
Sunflower is super high. Sunflower, tell the mountain high. Sunflower is super high.
Sunflower 420 off-road. Yeah. Off-road boner. Boner achieved.
Luckily it wasn't hot because water went everywhere and on me, so that's the win. It was cold water. One thing that I don't understand, and if you don't do van life, you won't have experienced, but if you do van life, I'm sure you'll have the exact same problem. Or is it just because I built my own van? I didn't make the kettle though. Things that you would never expect to break and fail, just randomly just decide, no, today's the day, I'm just gonna have a catastrophic breakage. Just, it can be anything random. A handle of a cupboard or a fridge door or the diesel heater, or there's always something. But luckily, this time, the kettle wasn't hot because I just lifted the kettle up and the handle just came off in my hand. Like, Rogan!
Oh yeah.
Made it, and happy to say that we actually managed to get the spot that we wanted as well. Because there's a park up close by and it's really popular and it is rammed. There must be 30 or 40 vans in those two places. Here, just a Sunflower and one other little van which is up there. So that's brilliant. Check it out, have a look at this. And welcome to Las Sierras de Tejera, the national park which is near Maro. This is the park up. It's horrible.
Sunflower 420. Campervan with the herbs. Mine follows the sun just like the herb tree goes. On the road, above the road.
Let's go to the beach.
Big cloud of red smoke, black sheep off, so she glows.
Just at the beach where we're going now, there's a fruit garden at the side of it, avocado trees, banana trees, different fruit trees, and a few little houses that are around here. Some old people, old Spanish people live there, and it's an old man who looks after all the fruit trees down by the beach. It's really nice, and when I stayed here before, they were bringing bananas off the banana tree and cherry maya, like the dragon fruit, just bringing things to the van, which was really nice. And last night, when I arrived, when Sunflower came here, I was parked up. Two old ladies who live here, two Spanish old ladies, mother and daughter, called Maria and Maria, the two Marias. I'll just stand in the shade a second. Yeah, the two Marias came to the van.
Oh, I say.
And I recognised Sunflower because she's bright yellow.
Oh, we never noticed.
And they came and said hello. And really nice to see them, and they genuinely seem pleased to see us as well, which is lovely. We're just about to get down to the beach. Check this out. And I know a secret location here, and I've got the feeling it's just going to be for us. That's what I'm hoping anyway. I'm not even going to tell you all exactly where it is.
Twat.
Sunflower 420 follows the sun like the earth tree goes. Oi.
If you go this way, you find a hidden gem. Don't tell anybody that I brought you here, and don't tell anybody where it is.
Like the earth tree goes.
We've already got food, we came here prepared, so we didn't have to move for a couple of days. So the fridge is stocked up, the cupboards are stocked up, the water's full. We stopped yesterday at the fountain, which is just close by, which was actually more like a waterfall. So this is where you come and fill your fresh drinking water up. Proper fresh water straight from the spring. Although today it's more like a waterfall than a spring. That's because they've had like too much rain in Malaga area, as you all probably know. But yeah, that's usually just a spring, a little bit of water coming out of a pipe, to give you an idea. So today, energies are high, positive vibes are flowing, life is good, van life is good. I've just come from the freshwater pool, just down the beach there, and I could hear music, flute music playing, and as I've come down the beach, I've met this guy. Hello man, how you doing?
Oh, Are you well? Fine.
I'm good. What's your name?
Yurak. Yurak
Yurak.
Orpita Kinaho.
I'm Tom, and it's very nice to meet you.
Yeah, muy encantado, amigo.
So, when I was walking down the beach, I could hear you playing some music.
Hace la caña, con la caña. Stick.
So it's made from the caña.
I made on simple flutes, more simple flutes.
Yeah.
You can play harmonic flute. You can play.
This isn't a conventional flute either. This is something he's made himself.
No shit,
So it
Sherlock.
doesn't have an ordinary mouthpiece. He's forming a mouthpiece like this. And then he's using his finger to trap the air. Very different. So
Not finished. This one.
So this needs a name. This needs a new name. This is not a normal flute. This is
That's
something.
the YK flute.
YK flute.
YK.
Yeah, you're
YK
that flute.
Forget.
You saw it here first. So
And you have to make it. Everyone made it. I don't find anyone can play like I play. I would like to find someone
yeah,
play like that. I
yeah.
made some. Un peu plus, un poco más.
He made some extra flutes, but he gave them away
Voilà,
to people
give
already.
To give to people. And one time, perhaps the princess arrived to play.
Yeah, and
We
you
get
say,
married,
hey,
I have
that's
made
the,
it.
that's the Yorak flute. So you saw it here first. Good job. Yes, man. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Tom. Nice.
Thank you, Yorak.
Thank you.
Wow, cool. I don't think I can make a sound with that flute, but yeah, I'm going to try. You can't see a cave without going to check it out.
Sunflower climb the mountain high. Yes, sunflower is super high. Sunflower climb the mountain high. Sunflower is super high. Sunflower climb the mountain high. Sunflower is super high. Sunflower climb the mountain high. Sunflower is super high. Sunflower climbing my mountainside. Sunflower is super high. Sunflower climbing my mountain high. Yes, sunflower is super high. Sunflower climbing my super. Sunflower is down high.
Don't mind me. Welcome to Pachamama Shelter. And do you know what else is cool? Because we're doing some van life, home is just over there. Have a look. Just a very short walk, 2 minutes, and it's a pretty walk. No cars, no traffic, lots of fruit trees. That's just life sometimes, all these fruit trees, and there's nothing ripe for me. There's a fig, look, on a fig tree, but you won't want to eat that right now. That's a fig tree. No figs at the moment. Olives on the olive tree, but you definitely don't want to pick an olive straight off a tree and put it in your mouth. It is the most bitter thing known to man in the universe. Behind me is an avocado tree. No avocados on it though. Too late. Beast of a tree behind me with this very strange distinctive leaves and foliage. That's a cherimoya tree. So if you've seen the cherimoya fruit, looks like a dragon's egg.
Yes, because we've all seen a dragon's egg, you twat.
I think people maybe even call it a dragon fruit, I don't know. But yeah, that's the tree they come from. Big cherimoya.
Big dickhead, more like.
I was just walking along the path here back from the beach and I spotted a familiar plant. The purple vines which are growing up this wall, the vines with the purple flowers should I say, is Morning Glory, which is a beautiful climbing vine, but it also has seeds which they contain LSA, which is close to LSD, which is actually hallucinogenic. Far out, man. Yeah, from the seed pods of that plant there. Sunflowers up there, look.
Amazing, just amazing.
So that was a beautiful little adventure to the beach, but I won't lie, all those banana trees and all those fruit trees and all that walking, it's made me very hungry. It's time to go back and cook some dinner. Man is starving, yo. And plus the 420 needs appreciation.
Oh yeah.
It's that same feeling again. Being in a cool place for an adventure and a walk and getting home. Because you live everywhere you park your van. Everywhere's home. Just gotta feel confident and comfortable. And you're always at home. Welcome back. Let's eat. It's those times when you just really appreciate a coffee. Oh man. So really beautiful afternoon on the beach. Really nice chill place. But it's no good looking at me. What you want to be doing is looking outside. The view is beautiful.
Good time. Sunflowers, big adventure. Sunflowers, big epic adventures. Because sunflowers need sun, yes, sunflowers need the sunshine to have a good time.